I'm gonna be showing you this Mr. Pen mechanical pencil set. Ooh.
As you can see, it comes with 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, and 2.0 size lead, and each size for a pencil, and a bunch of erasers. I really enjoy how each different size is color coordinated. And look at that. The little mustache is so cute too. You just take off the cap on all the tops and you can access the eraser and you can put the lead in through the top.
I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.